Hey guys, it's Sarah from Altcoin Ladies. So today we're gonna do a quick Electronium review. I know lots of you guys have been invested in it, as well as they've been having some good news. So not only an exchange edition, but also they finally released something I've been waiting for a long time, and I'm sure I'm not the only one. So let's get on straight to it. So for those of you who don't know, Electronium is basically one of the most user-friendly blockchain projects yet, and its concentration on simplicity and mobile users is one of the reasons the project has excelled in the crypto market. Electronium simplifies the hard process of cryptocurrency mining by making the process available to just about anyone with a mobile phone and a wireless connection, which makes it appeal to a larger market willing to venture into digital asset mining. With its beginner-styled interface, Electronium requires little or no technical ability to operate and use. Since October 2017, Electronium has a tale of success, although there was bumps along the way. Most recent of it was the famous prolonged mainnet freeze the project encountered soon after its migration. Due to its appealing nature, the Electronium project is a fast-growing blockchain project. So one of the first things is that Electronium launches its instant payments. Just like every other blockchain project, it looks to change the world with its platform, and Electronium sees the instant payment as the first step in changing the world. Electronium launched the instant payment beta just as we entered the second half of the year. The application launched by Electronium is the Instant Payment API for vendors. The API is looking to gain massive adoption as Electronium seeks to enable and unlock a $3 trillion market. The API for instant payment is for online stores, physical stores, a payment gateway for companies. The system will allow vendors, online stores, and physical stores accept online instant payments via Electronium. The instant payment is still in its beta stage and is currently undergoing testing, which will be carried out on the blockchain of Electronium. With the announcement, Electronium announced that testers are needed for the instant payment beta, and all applicants will be welcomed into the instant payment system for vendors when the beta testing is completed and becomes fully. So that was one of the news. The next news we have, I don't think there is a better way to pump up the price of a certain crypto asset than with a new exchange listing. And that's what happened to Electronium and was the reason for the few days ago Electronium pump. Electronium has announced a new partnership with an interesting platform, being a Coinbean. Coinbean, which is an exchange company which has its base in Singapore, last week recorded a daily trade exchange value of over $2 billion to topple Binance. Coinbean will also list Electronium on the platform before the end of the month. Coinbean is a new interesting exchange platform running on the revenue distribution model. And by using the model, Coinbean issues its own tokens to pay customers in return for the transaction fees they pay on the platform. It does this in form of a cryptocurrency. But one of the news I am really excited about, and I had to make an Electronium video, is the fact that Apple approved Electronium iOS, and I'm gonna go through that post with you guys. So we've got here great news. Apple have reviewed and approved the Electronium app. It's not in the App Store yet. We are beta testing it with invited users next week. Subject to any small bugs or errors being fixed, we should have it live in the App Store shortly after. We can invite up to 10,000 people on our test flight beta program, so we'll pick 10,000 of those apply to test it. The beta program will be on the live blockchain. In line with Apple's modified terms and conditions, we have removed the mobile mining experience for the time being. However, we've discussed allowing cloud mining access, and we are working with Apple to find a solution to this. We are developing a new way to mine from iOS, which is actually so cool, we'll almost certainly extend it to Android users too. Electronium cloud mining should be ready to go in the coming months. If you'd like to beta test the Electronium app on your iPhone, please complete the following application form and we'll get you added to our Apple test flight system. So here you guys got the document. It's also on the Twitter, on their official Twitter, and you just have to answer some question, giving your email address, and then they ask you questions about why you invested into cryptocurrency, what would you expect from the app itself, and yeah, I've applied for it, and loads of people actually I've had on my Twitter at Crypto Sarah that actually replied, "Oh, I didn't know you're Electronium girl." And I don't know why that makes me so special, or why is it so surprising. I mean, I would have applied for it regardless of whether I'm a holder or not, because having something run in the back of my phone without really using it, much of it, if it's, for example, battery life, why not? I mean, you're making free crypto. I know lots of people have been saying that it's not very profitable right now, seeing how low Electronium is right now. But remember, guys, we're in the bear market, and Electronium is currently only at 1 cent and is up 10%. So here we can see the pump codes by Coinbean and the obvious dump. And now we've got another pump codes by the iOS announcement, the Apple. So Electronium is currently 99 on CoinMarketCap. And like I said, the price is really low. But remember, guys, the all-time high of Electronium was obviously during January time, where Electronium was around 18 cents. Currently, it's trading at 1 cent. So you can see, you can easily do the maths, I think, of what actually you can have once the crypto recovers. Because we know that altcoins got hit the hardest by this bear market, and hopefully we're on our way to recovery. But if you guys want to get to know my opinion, check out the live streams. I talk a bit more about it over there. Now let's have a look on, for those of you who are not invested or are interested in it, Electronium's below 100 million market cap, and it's got a maximum supply of 21 billion. You can get it on Cryptopia, KuCoin, CryptoMate, Cryptos, with mainly Bitcoin, back into some Ethereum over there. So it's quite, most people have KuCoin nowadays, but if you don't, I know it's very annoying having so many exchanges and remembering it all. But if you want to have a wide range of crypto assets, then unfortunately there's one of the steps you have to do. So guys, I personally am quite excited about it, and it's regardless of if I'm invested in it or not. This is some sort of a move that we've been waiting for a while. It's great to see that they are making the moves that I thought they completely forgot about Apple users, to be fair, because there's been no updates at all. And that made me very wary about them, how they were keeping us unaware. And now I can see that they've just been busy working on it, and I really like it. There is also the special announcement video that you guys can check out if you're interested to hear themselves explain it all and how it basically works. But this summarizes it quite well. So guys, before I finish, remember to follow me at Twitter at Altcoin Sarah and Altcoin Bus Lady, so you can stay up to date with what's going on and what we've been talking about recently. So guys, let me know if you're actually invested into Electronium, or if you're interested in it. What do you actually think is going to happen with it? How's the Android been going? And what is your current experience with it? Have you made some decent amount? Because I know it all depends on the type of the phone you have, the hash rate. So if you made any good trades with it, on what do you actually do with the Electronium you get? Do you keep it? Do you exchange it for something else? Obviously, it's all pennies, but you know, you can make it work with anything that you have. So guys, let me know how's Electronium been doing on the Android. And now I'm gonna play the video that you can watch on their YouTube, because I thought, why not? Might as well just attach it. So enjoy, guys.
Hello everyone, I've got an exciting update about Electronium. We're certainly super excited. It's been a long time coming. We are just opening the doors. There should be something out on our social media posts either now or in the next day or so, which will give access to a form to fill in. Fill in that form and we will get you on as a beta tester for the Apple version of our app. We've been approved in the Apple Store for what's called Test Flight. That gives us 10,000 beta testers. We want to make sure it's beta tested before we go fully live, but it's super exciting. We're really pleased to have it approved. So get onto that list and get involved, test it out, make sure it's working. There is one small caveat, which is we've had to take the mobile miner out of the Apple app to get it through approval. Now this is nothing to worry about particularly, because what we have is something else super exciting, which is we have a secret thing coming. We have a plan for this. We've got cloud mining being developed at the moment, which will be super cool. Certainly it'll work for Apple. We've got a full plan for that, and if it works well, we may well take it across to Android as well. Possibly as an option, possibly as an alternative. Who knows, but it's certainly going to be good. As long as it's well accepted and everybody loves it, we're all in. All the best.
And I'll catch you guys later. Bye!